friends. My name is Nia and I am a multi-platform blogger in Dallas, Texas. I work closely with emerging artists. As a blogger, as a writer, I'm always willing to share the story. The artist development is a very crucial stage, and I love being active in that space. I've been blogging for about 11 years, if not longer. Here are a few things I have, come across over the years when it comes to sharing the story of an emerging artist, putting their music out there, or just getting them introduced to my audience. First is you want to have an active media kit. Your media kit should be readily available and updated all the time. Those who work in corporate America have to update their resume. Your media kit should be readily available and accurate. When working with emerging artists, I think it's important that you maintain your image. If you are going to change your hair, if you're going to be a blonde one day and a redhead the next day, you should be updating those photos. Update your photos. When you become a mainstream artist, one of the main things I think you'll have to get used to is getting your picture taken. This isn't any different. You should always update your image, update your photos so that people can recognize you. Connect with the photographer that gets your good side and update those images often. All right, you want your audience, you want those who follow your music to always be able to identify you. As a musician, I think it is crucial that you are putting out music. There should always be a song in your heart, even if it's not your song, if it's just a cover, a commercial song. You should have something out there that shows you are versatile, and it shows that you have talent. I think a lot of people feel like, oh, it has to be the finished product before I put something out. That's not true. Take a look at some of even the more established artists or mainstream artists. They will put something out just from their phone, and people they'll want that record, they'll want that track, to download. So if you are an emerging artist and you have a catalog of music that hasn't been put out yet or hasn't been mastered, I think it's important to put yourself out there, put yourself in front of a camera. Again, even if it's just your cell phone, and just put the music out there. There are what we call now videographers. They can put something together for you in a jiffy. Even if you have to do it alone, tripods are a thing, ring lights. You have various apps that just allow you to be creative. So it doesn't have to be the finished product. You're emerging. You're wanting people to become accustomed to your style. You want people to get to know you in this process. This is such a crucial process. Create your own website. Find a way for people to find you there. There should always be an outlet or a space dedicated to you as an artist, your sound, your music, your collections, your merch. Lastly, you want to engage with your audience. Those who follow you right now, it might be one or two, which is fine. You want to always engage, when you can, so that your followers, your listeners know that you are active, know that you are alive. So this is not, to me as a blogger, this is not the time to be a diva. This is not the time to be a diva. I think as a musician, as an artist, you get your following when you are just transparent, when you're down to earth and you're easy to communicate with. And that's just my own, what I have experienced, what I've gone through even as a blogger. Sometimes I'll follow an artist and I think they're amazing. Sometimes they don't have visuals. They don't have updated pictures. They might have 2 pictures on their Instagram. They don't have music. They don't have a lot of music to share, which makes it hard when you're writing and trying to talk about this person, this sound, and there's nothing there, you know? So have those visuals, have that catalog of music. Be friendly to those who follow you, even those who just want to know, you know, what's your genre, like, or what's your favorite. Tell me your favorite music, or tell me who your favorite artist is. CocoGal.com does not charge emerging artists for their story. Coco Gal is always looking for artists' story to tell. If you have those things in place, you have visuals, you have music, a variety of music that one could critique and learn and understand, that's needed when I write a blog. When you have your media kit, this allows you, you know, if this is a paid gig, you can have your rates there. You know, you want all that information there when you're negotiating anything. Coco Gal has just released a media kit template that you can purchase at mycocogal.etsy.com. This media kit is very easy to navigate, and wanting to get discovered, you're wanting to put your music out there, this media kit is going to be necessary for you to have.